Mwaka umwe na mieri 10 thutha wa kurugurio kwa mubango wa UHC uria ukoretwo ukigerio kaunti-ini cia Kisumu, Nyeri, Machakos na Isiolo, maabitha ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri hamwe na thirikari cia matura ni magite na kigumano kia mwanya gia guthurima uria mubango uyu ukoretwo ukiruta wira. Ni metikaneirie mubango uyu utambio kaunti-ini ciothe 47 guothe bururi-ini, no ni hari na maundu maria no nginya makinyanirio niguo mubango uyu urute wira na njira iria yagiriire.
We are not even going to solve all the problems that we can face within UHC in a day. But we have decided, as a team interested in helping Kenyans, we have decided to begin the journey.
Undu umwe ni ati no nginya kumbo kigina kia mwanya kiria kirirugamagira mubango uyu wa urigitani wa UHC.
We have agreed that they must establish a UHC fund at the national level. But on establishing a UHC fund, there should be consultation with county governments.
Undu ungi ni kugacirithia mubango wa insurance wa NHIF uria ubatie kuhuthirwo na UHC na gukiri uguo gukaiguanirwo no nginya thirikari cia county ciikirwo urugamiriri-ini wa NHIF.
We have agreed to review the NHIF Act to allow county representation on the board.
Niguo kuheria ngucanio cia aruti amwe a wira gukorwo mari rungu rwa thirikari nene ni kuiguanirwo ati rungu rwa UHC aruti a wira wothe ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri mariandikagwo ni thirikari cia county. Motungata ma urigitani thibitari-ini cia gikiro gia level 2 na 3 namo ni mekugacirithio na njira ya gwikirira ugitiri wa mirimu, na ningi ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni ikuheana kigina kuri thirikari cia county gia gutigirira thibitari ici ciri na indo ciothe iria irabatara.
That guarantees financing for primary health care and preventive and promotive health to achieve UHC.
Mubango uyu wa UHC wa kuheana urigiti hatari marihi ni kimwe kia ituge inya cia thirikari ya Jubilee iria President Uhuru Kenyatta eranĩire gukinyaniria mururumo-ini wa keri wa wathani. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.